If you've ever received a Google Calendar invite and weren't quite sure how to respond, this video is going to make it super easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to accept a Google Calendar invite from your email and also how to do it directly inside Google Calendar. This is a simple process, but knowing both methods can save you time and help you stay organized, especially if you're managing meetings, appointments, classes, or events. If this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Google Calendar invitation email that you received. This is usually the email with the event details, date, time, location, and a button or link that lets you respond. Once you have the email open, look for the response options. To accept the invitation, click Yes. That confirms your attendance and lets the organizer know that you'll be there. After you click Yes, the event will be added to your Google Calendar automatically. That means you will now see it on your calendar alongside your other scheduled events, making it easy to keep track of everything in one place. If you want to double check that it worked, you can open Google Calendar and look for the event on the correct date and time. Now, if you want to accept the invite directly from Google Calendar instead of using the email, that's just as simple. Open Google Calendar, find the event, and click on it to open the event details. Inside the event window, look for the RSVP section. You should see an option that says Going or a similar response option. To accept the invitation, click Yes under Going. Once you do that, your responses are saved and the event is marked as accepted on the calendar. This method is especially helpful if you've already dismissed the email or if you're working directly from your calendar view. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you accept the invite from the email or from Google Calendar itself, the process is quick, easy, and makes sure you never miss an important meeting or event. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.